Hey brown butterflies, I've already prepped my skin, so I'm going in with the primer. Make sure that you do not use a lot as that can cause spilling. I'm using this foundation by Maybelline. I'm applying this with a spoon as I don't have a makeup spatula. I am blending that with a damp beauty sponge. I am color correcting. I'm going in with a concealer. Blending it with the same beauty sponge. I am taking a small brush for contouring. I start by contouring my nose bridge and then go in with the tip of my nose. I'm again using some warm concealer and applying it around my nose and my nose bridge. Again blending it with the same beauty sponge. I'm using a peachy pink shade for blush. And yeah, don't come for me, I know I have blush blindness. I forgot to contour my cheeks and jaw, so I'm doing that now. Make sure to blend it downwards. I'm taking a round brush and applying a pale beige shade on my eyelid. Now I'm gonna go in with some pale pink and apply it all over my eyelid as well. After that, I'm taking a reddish brown shade and applying it on the outer corners, blending it in carefully. Using the same brown shade for my Colossal. The same pale beige between my eyes and the Colossal, and then I'm going in with the champagne shade on top of it, and also using it to highlight my inner corner of eyes. A clear mascara for eyebrows and eyelashes, as my eyebrows are non-existent and I don't know how to do them. Also, my lashes are very fragile. Going in with the second coat only on the outer ends. Still doesn't make a difference. Same peachy pink blush on my lips. A pink eyeshadow on my cupid's bow. A darker lip tint in the middle to give an ombre effect. Same brown shadow to uplift my corner lips because I have resting bitch face. A clear gloss I swear it was clear. There you go. Please stare at me lots and don't mind the mess behind. Turns out I forgot setting it with setting powder, so I'm doing it now. Last step, makeup fixer.